Hello guys, I'm very much happy that you have started to speak in English now. Yes, my dear friends. So what your mind and you talking with each other, do you have that any kind of the dialogue in your mind itself? Yes, there is. And always there is the question, whatever I speak, is it right or wrong? That question always makes you little disturbed, or definitely it will really disturb you from speaking. Am I wrong? Absolutely, I'm not wrong. It is perfect reading of your mindset, my dear friends. So whenever you start to speak and whenever you speak, the first question is going to be there in your mind. That is, whatever I speak, is it the right or wrong? And one more mindset is there. If it is wrong, what people will think about me? लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच लेंगे? That kind of the mentality, many times we stop ourselves from speaking. Don't you? Yes. Most of the students, most of the beginners, most of the English aspirants, they stop themselves from speaking. Only the reason is there, लोग क्या कहेंगे, और जो भी मैं बात करने जा रहा हूं ये सही है या गलत है. That kind of the dilemma is going to be in our mind, and that dilemma, that confusion, that disturbance, that overthinking stops us from speaking, stops us from our goal, and really whatever we decide to develop our language, we cannot, only due to the confusion. Am I wrong or am I right? Really? This is a very important one. Do you think that is this a very important one? I'm sure. First of all, as you are the beginner, don't worry at all about as you miss, are you right or the wrong? Just keep speaking. Don't involve yourself in the dilemma of right or the wrong. If you overthink more, it stops you from speaking. If you overthink more, it stops your mindset or your mind. And whatever the thoughts are going to generate in your mind for speaking, all those thoughts will be stopped only due to the overthinking, my dear friends. Now I am speaking in front of you. Some mistakes might happen. Some people might point out those mistakes. But one thing you remember, to point out those mistakes, they have to watch my video. They have to think on me. And then they have to give the suggestions. So don't you think that it is going to be the profit of mine? They are giving time for me. They are thinking about me. Means I am making people to think about me, and when I make people to think about me, I'm sure they are going to be the very helpful. They are going to develop us. So don't take any kind of the botheration of right and wrong. Even if it is wrong, somebody will correct you, and in the course of the time, gradually you can understand what exactly the mistakes you have been committing, what exactly the wrong things you have been using, and I'm sure one day you are going to be the very close to the right one. So my dear friends, keep speaking, keep talking. Yes, only this action can make you the fluent speaker. Don't stop you from speaking only in the confusion. Am I right or the wrong? Even you right, people will appreciate you, or even you wrong, people will really criticize or appreciate, whatever, vice versa, But one thing is there, you're speaking, and just your speaking itself, your experience of committing the mistakes, your experience of speaking only, that much is the sufficient for the development, and that will develop. So my dear friends, stop thinking about right or the wrong. Remove that dilemma dilemma from your mind of that right or that the wrong, and only one thing is right, that is speaking, speaking and speaking. That is the only right thing. Keep speaking, generate the habit. Just you continue the same thing for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and I'm sure automatically you are going to stop this dilemma, and whatever you speak, definitely that will right, and there is no need to think, only the matter of continue speaking. So keep continuity, and I'm sure you can develop and you can remove the dilemma of right and wrong, and you can be fluent in English language. Thanks a lot, my dear friends, and I'm sure you will remove the dilemma of right and wrong. Thank you. Thank you.